Nobody talks about the biggest risk of vibe coding. It's not that the AI will replace programmers, it's that the programmers might replace themselves. And I don't mean losing their jobs, I mean losing their ability to think. I use AI every single day. Cursor, Claude, GPT, Gemini. Some days I barely write code anymore, and honestly, it's amazing. I can build things faster than I ever could before. But recently, I've noticed something weird. When I ran into a difficult bug, my first instinct wasn't to think, it was directly to ask AI. And that's when it hit me. AI isn't dangerous because it writes better code. It's dangerous because it can make us stop exercising the parts of our brains that made us engineers in the first place. Think about it. Debugging, breaking down problems, designing systems, reasoning through trade-offs. These are mental muscles, and like any muscle, if you stop using them, they get weaker. It's the same reason musicians still practice scales even after they can perform entire concerts, or why athletes still train fundamentals even after reaching professional level. And I think in today's age, programmers need the same mindset. So here are some things that I have recently started doing. First, I keep a small no AI window every day. No Cursor, no GPT, no Claude, just manual coding. Not because it's productive, but because it's maintenance of my skills. Second, before I ask AI, I always make myself explain the problem to me. What am I trying to do? Why am I doing it? How would I do it myself if there was no AI? Honestly, you'll be surprised how many times you discover the right answer yourself. Third, I treat AI generated code as a junior engineer's pull request. I don't just accept it because the AI sounds confident. One more interesting thing to do is to use whiteboards or even Excalidraw to draw the architectural changes you want to make before you hand it off to AI. And finally, whenever something breaks, I try to find out why before I ask AI to fix it. Now, don't get me wrong, I think AI is the best thing that has happened to the software engineering world in a long time. I would never go back. But I also think there's a difference between using AI to accelerate your thinking and to replace your thinking. And this is not just helpful in interviews, but in a world where everyone has the same tool, everyone has access to AI, what matters is not the tool, it's the mind behind the tool. So don't forget to sharpen it regularly.